I'm on my XR this morning, and I'm gonna try a new microphone on my GoPro Hero 6 camera. The microphones I've tried before overloads the camera input or the audio input, so it crackles and pops, and it's not really a good solution. So I bought a new high quality microphone, so we'll see how it works. Hopefully it'll be a better solution. $65 degrees in end of June in the morning. That's pretty good. Usually it's hot and humid down here in South Carolina. It's a little bumpy over in this section here, so take it a little easy. Well, that should do it for microphone testing, I think. Until next time.